Oh wow, Mom, what are you making?
Wonton.
Chinese style wonton? Wow, that looks beautiful. Look at that. She already has a whole plate full. Alright. What are the ingredients, Mom? What's in here?
Pork, shrimp.
Pork, shrimp. Any water chestnut?
Yes.
Water chestnut. See how she folds it? See? Kind of like in a triangle and fold it in the corners. We don't need to use eggs. You can just simply seal it with water, and it looks like one of those old Chinese money, you know, like the gold, the god of wealth. Once again, here's how you fold it up close. See? Fold it to the corners of the triangle, and then corner to touch the corner into a kind of like a boat. See, like that? Or you could say like a flower. See how beautiful that looks? Can't wait to cook these. So my mom is showing us the second style. You see how it's like a rectangle, and then you fold it like that. So this is more look like a. In fact, I think that's more the traditional style. It kind of looks a little bit like. I wouldn't want to say crab rangoon. So once again, here's how you fold it. That looks like a easier style. See? Seems like slightly faster. So there's a two style right there. Which you guys think is prettier? This style or this style? Personally, I think this one, but they both taste the same, so it doesn't matter. What's going on here, Mom? What are you cooking? Oh, my mom is preparing the wonton. Yes, that we, well, not we, she made. That's a homemade wonton. Let's see how this turns out. We got some Chinese yu choy, wontons in two styles. So my dad and mom cooking. I'm just recording. What noodle are we gonna use, Mom? We're gonna use this style of noodle. See, egg noodle. See, that looks good. Hong Kong style pan fried noodle. How's it turning out, Mom? Oh, that's the wonton. Oh, look at that delicious wonton. Look how it turned out. Here's my bowl. Let's give it a taste test, shall we? Alright, here we go. So we added some ham from Aldi's. This is the beef tendons. Yes. Let's go ahead. Looks like there's some peanuts too. So let's go ahead and get into this wonton right here. How is it, Mom?
Very good.
Delicious. You can taste the shrimp and the pork with the water chestnut crunchy and slightly sweet. This is good. Good job, Mom. Excellent. That's how you make Chinese style wonton.